Yeah, hello everyone. I am representing Samyak Instrumentation Pvt. These are our seventh time we are participating in Automation Expo. We are getting good crowd here. This year we are exploring our product. We are demonstrating our product like IoT data logger, protocol converters, remote display, weight indicators, protocol converters. These all are products which can help industries to capture their field instruments data and transfer it into PLC, HMI or software. We do have our software solutions which are help industries to capture, monitor, analysis, to measure the OEE and proactive predictive maintenance. So we welcome you all our existing customers and prospect customers to visit our stall number E22 at Automation Expo South 2026. Venue is Chennai Trade Center. Thank you.